In this video we're taking an honest look at TaxGPT, the AI-powered tax assistant that claims to simplify tax research, document analysis, and overall preparation work. TaxGPT can scan uploaded documents, summarize notices, help identify relevant deductions, and provide citations from tax laws and rulings, which makes it useful for freelancers, small business owners, and tax professionals who want to speed up routine tasks. Many users highlight time savings and appreciate how quickly the tool drafts memos or client-ready explanations. But despite those advantages, TaxGPT is not a substitute for a licensed tax professional. Complex or unusual cases can still be misinterpreted, and while the platform stays updated, there's always potential lag when tax rules or interpretations change. Coverage is strongest for US and Canadian tax systems, so users from other regions may find limited value. Pricing can also feel high for full access, and getting the best results requires reviewing its citations instead of relying blindly on the AI. Overall, TaxGPT is a powerful assistant for speeding up tax work, but it works best as a support tool, not a final authority. For more clear and honest tech reviews, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.